Hi crafties! Today we're going to build on transforming regular craft gift bags into custom cutesy gift bags. I chose to go with one of my favorite birthday themes that happens to be trending right now, whimsical birthday parties. The colors that I use are Encore Grasshopper, Lapis, Lemon, Mandarin, and Pop Tone Blue Raspberry. The vibe is very much playful, handmade, and incorporates craft or even butcher paper to ground the design with pops of bright and primary colors. The details I chose to work with are fun party hats, wavy birthday candles, and scattered confetti. You don't need a whole lot of dimension for this type of design, but rather a few small pops here and there, which I chose to use on the bigger elements. I'm using Barely Art's Precision Craft Glue to adhere down my confetti pieces. The design elements are all put together in a Design Space project for you to recreate, and the font is also named there as well, so that way you can go ahead and personalize this with a name instead of it saying HBD, short for Happy Birthday. I love how easy it is to transform a plain craft bag into something whimsical using beautiful colored cardstock from 12x12 Cardstock Shop. I hope you guys give this project a whirl and try it out for yourself. Happy crafting, friends!